how to do a valuation of the business. So, valuation of the business can be a very complex process depending on the size of the business and the nature of the business. And to be honest, there is no any specific criteria of how you value a business apart if it's a small business. So often the sellers, they come up with their own high value, depending, that okay, I've been doing this business for so long. This business has this great potential, and they have an emotional element attached to it, which also adds to a value, and so many other factors that they come up with their own valuation. But if you're buying a business, okay, you want to make sure that you buy a business on a right value, the value or a best value, I would say. So, how do you value a business? So, for me, for my opinion, there are two ways to value a business. One is ROI based valuation, and second is asset based valuation. Okay, what is ROI based valuation? Return on investment. So if the business is making money, so if you buying a business is making money, let's suppose that business is making 100K, 100,000 dirham a year. So you can value this business as depending on the industry, can be 2x or 3x or can be 5x of the profit. So if a business is making 100,000, you can value 200,000 as the goodwill of the business plus the asset value, the difference of on the balance sheet, the difference of assets and liability. What is the number there? So if that business has a lot of liabilities, if that business has their liabilities higher than the assets, then you subtract that value from the goodwill. If the business has their assets higher than their liabilities or payables, then you will add that number to that goodwill. So this is one way of valuing. I call it ROI-based valuation. And second method of valuation is asset-based valuation. So what is asset-based valuation? So asset-based valuation is if the business is not making money, it's making loss, and you're buying that business and planning to turn around that business by improving the bottom line and converting this business to a profitable business. So in this method of valuation, you're looking into valuing a business based on that asset. So you can get the asset list of that business and look at the balance sheet and see what their liabilities are, what their assets are, and what is how much value is tied up on those assets, and you can add a part of a goodwill of that business, the brand value, if this business has a brand value or any other positive points on that business. So you can add those points as a goodwill of the business and come up with the number of valuation. So these are the two methods generally I use when I value a business. But yes, there are other methods maybe in the market which people they use depending on different industries and different businesses. Thank you for watching Just Business Talk DXB, your ultimate guide to buy or sell a business. Press the bell icon to stay tuned with my new videos.